feeling too well. Well, yeah, not great. But we've got a razor here. 2004 blue. So I should open it up. I have got a screw set here. I'll show you at the end of the video what I've been using because it's not a knife fix it kit. I'm using the wrong one. It's the fat one I need to pry in. All out. So this is the back and battery there. The battery is 940 milliamps. So you know. So I did say hello. Did I? Hi guys, what's up? What be popping? Haven't uploaded in a while. I know it's mad. I do apologise, guys, but I am not. I've had to cope today and it's done me over. Okay. This is my Moto Razr in 2004, as I said. So we're just going to basically tear it down and put it back together. So this video might be long, or this video might be really long, or extremely short, depending on how good I am at this. This is only my second time ever opening up a Moto Razr. It's just a screw that's randomly there. I think that's a hinge screw. So the motherboard's here. I need to find that. I'm using a special light. It's this one. I don't know if you saw that, but I'm using a special light. That's not my studio one because that's too bright for me at the moment. I don't really feel like messing around with it either. So I've got on like settings for me while I'm normally recording. But we need to start opening up this. I've removed the SIM card already. I did that before I even said hello. It's really bad of me, isn't it? Sorry guys. So there we go. We've got two screws out there. So the motherboard, which is clipped in just by that, is now completely out. I've got two little things there. I'm not entirely sure what they do. There's no screws in here I can remove due to not having a correct Phillips head, not having a correct screwdriver for that. So I'm just going to open up as much as I can, which is videoing near the bottom of the phone. Next year I'm going to be doing a complete full teardown. I've already planned out a video, so I'm going to be hopefully collabing. I need to do years of scripting for this, and I want to do other stuff in my life as well. One last screw there, flip, like a charm, and then just remove that. So this is a Moto Razr 2004 blue. It kind of works, kind of doesn't. It has a bit of a dodgy dock connector. Well, I keep saying dock connectors. Oh, I don't know. It's a dock connector. It's just connector for the charger, basically. And my granddad gave it off me for free. And I want to use it and fix it up. So, I want to see what's inside. So, on here, it's only got internal storage, 512 megabytes. I don't know what any of these connectors are for. I know there's like a rolling pin. This is where the charge goes in, obviously. There's a vibrator. There's the vibrating thing in there that vibrates when your phone wants to go off. Bluetooth engine in over this side as well. Micro SD and SIM card slot. SIM cards are huge, by the way, a lot bigger than the newer one. But okay, it's quite a rugged body. It's got a front screen, back screen, everything you need. Smash. Oh, I didn't break it, did it? I'm messing around too much. Didn't break it though. But we need to put this all back together. So you saw me take it out of ease. It's putting it back together. It's a flipping hard bit. So we need to start putting this in. We have to open this up. Let's put it in like that. It's kind of like a banana. Sorry, there's cars outside. I've got my window open. I don't feel like closing it. You have to relatively fast flip that. Snip, 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 snip. Snap that bad boy on. So there's only 2 screws for this, although there's 4 screw holes. I don't know why that is. I'm not a good person. I'm not good at phones. I'm not good with taking stuff apart because I keep forgetting where I leave stuff. That's an issue, I know. I lose stuff all the time. It happens to the best of us. Why does it sound like a little bit like that? Now screw this in. That's in tight enough that this can't be moved as much. So I could use it with one screw. It just wouldn't be recommended. And if I have another one, then I will put the other one in. You're thinking, what are these screws for? They're for the motherboard, you dingus. And if you're thinking that, I want you to leave a dislike. So see how many dislikes this video can get, yeah? There's going to be a video coming up soon about my phone collection, because I've got quite a few now. Okay, so on here the connector's there. I have to clip this in before I do anything else. I can't clip this connector in. That's clipped. Look, that's like well clipped in. That's like the most beautiful clip you will ever see. Understood? Good. Okay, so I've got 2 screws here. So you have left hand, right hand. We need to put the left hand one in first. I'm dragging this really far back. So I'll put the top one in now. So I'll flip that out so you can see. Hopefully this is still recording. I had an issue earlier because I did this earlier and it just stopped midway and it mugged me off. And it also didn't record audio. That's in. I usually put the SIM card in first, but I did it backwards this time. Then I've got this screw here which is for the hinge. It basically loosens the entire body just so it makes it a bit bendy. So I'm going to put this tiny little... This one's hard to put in and I might end up losing this. So. This is the original battery, original casing, original everything. The only thing that ain't original is the SIM card, which is I don't believe is original because it would have Moto Razr on it, but even so. It's a really old fat SIM card. I'll show you in a minute like how big that SIM card is compared to like newer ones. So I'll get my SIM card. I'm not going. Nah. I'm not going. I've got a spare SIM card, but it's in a phone at the moment that I'm doing some tests on. But I just got bored because I was just sitting there watching videos on YouTube about how to make videos on YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna let you into a secret. I'll watch vidIQ. They don't tell me half what stuff you need. Okay, so you've got 4 pin here, 4 pins there, 4 pins there. I have to slot that in there. Oh! Beautiful clip. There you go. Oh god, damn it, it's that fine click sound. We'll hear it now. And then just see if it will even boot. I can't mess up a phone this much. We have life, guys. See you in this place. I use the camera when I'm having it on my arm. Does it boot? That's as far as it goes, because it's like no battery, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I know I look like a blogger. I hope to see you again soon. Peace. Screwdriver, screwdriver, sword Maybe I was shutting down the video now. Peace out, guys, anyway. Yeah! Oh, well, I know that. Peace out.